God, please change my sign. You're the weavers in your guide, fareway to the weavers in your guide. Oops, okay, sorry. Okay, this is the last video for, I think, week 2 or week 3. I don't remember. Okay, half of this video is not in the textbook. The second half of this video is in the textbook. Okay, the first couple slides, 1, 2, 3, 4 slides. The first 4 slides are not from the textbook, okay? Just extra English thinking, okay? Just think English, okay? Okay, let's say, what are the top 5 answers people give? Okay, what are the top 5 answers people give? 이거 무슨 말? Let's say you have 100 people. 100 people, you ask the same question to 100 people. What answer do most of those people give? Okay? You have 100 people, you have 1,000 people, doesn't matter. Okay? You ask them all one question. Okay? What is the most common answer of all those people you ask? Okay? Here's an example. 여기. What kind of weather do you prefer the most? What kind of weather do you prefer the most? Okay, 48% of people say cold weather. Okay, there's many answers. Okay, 많이 대답 가능합니다. Okay, but, okay, let's say, what kind of weather do you prefer the most? I like rainy weather. I like cloudy weather. I like snowy weather. I like the wind. But 48.59% of people will say, I like cold weather. 14% of people say, I like hot weather. 20% of people say, I like winters, I like summers, I like falls, I like springs. 16% of the people say, neither. I don't like hot weather, I don't like cold weather. Okay? What kind of weather do you like most? Most people say cold weather is the best weather. Okay? That's the most common, that's the top 5 answers. I like cold weather is in the top 5 answers. Okay? Okay, the next slide, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, 이거 똑같아요. Okay? Okay? Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try again. Okay, the top 5 answer. Okay, you ask 100 people, hey, if you go to the zoo, what animal can you see at the zoo? Of those 100 people, bear, ducks, kangaroo, lion, zebra. What's the most? Which of these animals are in the top 5 answers? Okay. Many people will say elephants. Many people will say snakes. Many people will say sharks at the zoo. At the zoo. Okay. But these, the bear, the ducks, kangaroo, lion, or zebra, which answer is in the top 5 answers? Okay. What animal can you see at the zoo? Just what do you think? Okay. What's one of the most common answers? Okay. What animal can you see at the zoo? Oh, I can see a bear. Oh, I see the ducks. Oh, I see the kangaroo. I see a lion. I can see a zebra. Okay. Which answer is in the top 5? Bear, ducks, kangaroo, lion, or zebra? Okay. What do you think? Try it. Next one. Okay, next one. Which answer is in the top 5 answer? Okay, here, this one, the piano, which one is actually more correct? Okay, okay, on sheet music, akbo, on sheet music, akbo. Okay, the little picture here, you see the music Okay, the sheet music, akbo. What often on the sheet music they have how do you play the music? Okay, on the sheet music, akbo, what does piano mean? Okay, many times, many people will say all kinds of different things. Well, piano is the piano. But here it means piano on akbo means how do you play it? Okay, which one is more correct? Okay, here, do you play it freely? Do you play the sheet music? Do you play the music play like jazzy? Or do you play quick, fast, playing fast? Or do you play slowly? Okay, or do you play softly? Okay, on sheet music, which one is more correct in the top 5 answers? Also here, yes, it can be correct. Yes, it's in the top 5 answers. Okay, which one? Okay, try it. I don't know. Shorty. Okay, see you next one. Bye. Okay, next one. Here we are. Okay, what is the top 5 answer? Okay, what's the top 5 answer? Okay, here actually, what's the top 5 question? Okay, 사람들이 주는 top 5 대답들이 무엇인가요? Okay, which here at a job interview, 취업, 면접. Okay, you're looking for a job. You go to a job company. You go to a company. Well, they want to know you. They ask you questions. Is this person any good for working in our company? Okay. They all job interview, 취업, 면접. They ask you all kinds of questions usually. 10, 15 questions usually. Okay, for a good job. Okay. At the job interview, the first question is often, hey, tell me about yourself. You have to tell the company about you. Okay? Tell me about yourself. I like to go hiking. I like to play guitar. I love dogs. I love going to whatever, movies, whatever. Okay? What is another top 5 job interview question? Okay, of those 10 questions or 15 questions, whatever, of those questions, which of these questions do the companies ask most often? Okay, the top 5 questions. What book does everyone need to read? What book does everyone need to read? What is the name of the CEO of our company? Do you have any questions about us? Why do you want to work here? What was the best teacher for you? Or who? Actually, who was the best teacher for you? It can be what was the best teacher. Yeah, it can be an experience. But of these questions, what book? What's the name? Any questions for us? Why or who's the best teacher? Of these, which is in the top 5 questions at a job interview? Okay, almost always. Okay, yeah, okay, just pick one. Doesn't, okay, it's easy. It doesn't. Okay, next one. And okay, the other ones, it said, what is the top 5 answer? Okay, here, okay, multiple choice test, sonda식 test. Okay, on an exam, on a test, the answers are A, B, C, or D. Okay, your only answer can be A, B, C, or D. Okay, that's a multiple choice test. sonda식 test, I think. Okay, A, B, C, or D. Which answer on any kind of test, any math test, any history test, any driving written test, any kind of test you can think of that has A, B, C, D for answers, which answer is the correct answer most often? Okay, this is true science. 진짜. Okay. Which answer is most often the correct answer? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? Okay. Hint? Look at this slide. It has math questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. That's just an example. But look at the pencil where it's laying down. Okay, all the dots in there. Okay, it starts at starts at 19, 20, 21, 22, all the way to 130. Okay. How many C answers are in there? How many A questions? How many B questions? How many D questions? That. 진짜. Even right there. Which answer on any test is the correct answer most often? Okay? Try it. You're in college. You take a lot of these kind of tests. This is good information. 진짜. And okay, last one. This has to be from the textbook. Okay, this is 추석부 숙제. Okay, 추석부 숙제. Okay, send me your name. Send me your student number. Okay, 추석부. Okay. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. 5W1H. We did that in another video. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Okay, here. Okay, in the textbook, page 30. Some page. Some ship. I'm sorry. Page 30, some ship. Crazy weather. Okay, it has the reading. Okay, midterm exam is from these reading in each chapter. Okay, each unit, whatever. I think it's chapter 1 to chapter 6. Okay, well, some of the readings, it is the midterm exam. Okay, okay. Page 30, you will see the sentence, Yuma, Arizona is the sunniest place on earth. Look in the textbook, page 30, crazy weather. Yuma, Arizona is the sunniest place on earth는 문장입니다. 문장이있어요. Okay. Yuma, Arizona. Okay, on the midterm exam, I will ask you where, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Well, you see the word where, you have to look for a location in a sentence. Okay, in that reading. It's not what you think. Midterm exam is only what's in the textbook on the reading pages. Okay? Yuma, Arizona is the sunniest place on earth. The question on the test would be, where, blah, 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 blah. Well, where is, in the sentence, Yuma, Arizona. What? What is the question? In the sentence, Yuma, Arizona is the sunniest place on earth. What? The sunniest place. That's what. What's the sentence talking about? It's talking about the sunniest place. Okay? And again, where? There can be two where questions in the same, from the same sentence. Okay? Where? Well, on earth. Okay? In this sentence, Yuma, Arizona is the sunniest place on earth. Okay? You ask a where question. Well, Yuma, Arizona is one where on earth. Can be another where. Okay? And what? The sentence is talking about the sunniest place. Okay? So, 5W1H questions. Okay? 다시. Midterm exam is all 5W1H questions on the test. Okay? 다시. Next. It's sunny for 4,050 hours each year. Okay? What? In that sentence, it's sunny for 4,050 hours each year. What is it talking about? What is it saying? What is sunny? How many? Well, 4,050 hours is how many? When? Well, it's saying each year. Okay? Each year there's 4,050 hours of sun. Okay? You try the rest. That's over 11 hours a day. How often? How often and when? Often the same question, the same answer. Okay? How many? Tame. If you like rain, you can go to Loro Colombia. What? Where? Okay? What is it? Okay? And the other two questions, okay? Majimak, look at any sentence and find the what, where, when, who, why, how many, how often. Okay? Ask these questions every sentence from the reading pages in the textbook. Okay? That's the midterm. Zip. Okay? See you later. Bye-bye.